system of this team over the last few games now that you guys are winning some games as opposed to previously when you're losing a bunch, scoring only 2 goals?
Yeah, everything makes everything easier when everyone's playing to the system and working hard. Tonight definitely wasn't pretty though. Buffalo made a nice push, but it's nice to get a win still.
What was the mindset of the team after you picked that 3-goal lead? I mean, you haven't had any 3-goal leads up until the very end of games this year, so that was a new thing at that point. What was the mindset going into the second period and even into the third period with the cushion?
Honestly, just keep playing the same way we were playing. You don't want to change things up if it's going well, right? So, yeah.
Will, how did it feel to get your first NHL point?
It was nice. Yeah, I mean,
It was nice.
yeah.
I mean, you're doing exactly what this team wants you to do, right? Shoot them up high and then have people clean up down low.
Yeah, I mean, it wasn't a great shot, but as an Appleton pushed the puck in there, so it worked out. Yeah, it's nice.
What were your expectations of kind of playing against your former team versus kind of the reality of it after you finished with it?
Not really any expectations. Just more like, I mean, I know how mostly all those guys play. I've played with them and never against them. So I mean, besides in practice, and it was just fun to play against them again and see them all.
Give you a little hard time out there extra?
No, not really. We were just joking around out there, but it's fun to see them all.
Any money on the board?
A little bit.
What was the reaction of your teammates on the bench when they see Tanev race the length of the ice with Brennan ranked on his back to score that goal? I mean, what did that do for the team?
Yeah, that's huge. We're down a man, penalty kill, get a shorthanded goal. We had 2 of them. Yeah, it's great. I mean, so yeah.
Thanks, Will.
Yep. Thanks, guys.